Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is AI tutorials for beginners. One of the comment that recently I came on my one of my tutorial was, will AI take my job? So let me start with the harsh truth first. AI will not take your job, but someone who is using AI will definitely take your job. Let's learn more deep into what that thought process is. So this is a wake up call because AI is not your competitor. AI is your assistant. Your real competition is the folks or the other people who are using AI tools. So AI users are your competitor. The person next to you is already using ChatGPT, Gemini 3, Perplexity, Tab 9, Codium, Cursor, and much more such AI tools which are readily available for anyone to start exploring and exploiting. Remember, with AI, efficiency is the new currency. It means a person, one AI augmented worker, is equivalent to three traditional ones. That means someone who is using AI tools is as good as three people combined. So remember, this is a survival mode where upskilling is not an option. You cannot complain. You need to upskill, you need to learn, you need to align yourself with the AI. Now, if you want to win in this AI race, how should you think? Think like your automate everything and anything that really bores you, right? That means if there is a repetitive task at work or in personal productivity, just there are so many AI tools which can really automate them. Ask AI tools for new ideas, brainstorm them, don't order. So work with AI. Don't just think that AI will do your job. AI will only do your job if you give the correct prompt, correct ideas, correct explanation. Use AI as a collaborator rather than a crutch. So collaborate AI in your workplace. If not, come back in your local, in your system. Use those AI tools to learn, to upgrade, to upskill, to get your work done. Every repetitive task is a chance to delegate it to AI. A lot of work will be delegated to AI. So start looking at your skill set and start questioning what are the tasks that can be delegated to AI. What are the skills that you will stay with you for long? Invest time in reinvesting yourself in your creativity so that you use AI tools to master your domain, your skill set. Now, how to compete and win? Audit your daily workflow. That's number one. Check what is the task that you are doing. If you're writing unit tests, which tool can you use to automate it? If you're designing, what is the tool? If you're generating content, what are the tools that you can use to automate your daily workflows? Find some tasks that you can automate with AI. Learn ChatGPT, Cursor AI, Tab 9, Gemini 3, Claude AI, Notion AI. These will definitely help you become more productive, help you become more efficient. The best of all, start building your social channels, start sharing your AI results publicly. This will help you build proof and also a consistent record in public. Become the person who gets things done with AI, right? Don't be afraid of it. Go with the tools, use them, exploit them, become the top AI augmented person. That's all I can tell you because that's what I have been doing of late in my workplace as well. So I would definitely love to hear your thoughts on it. Do let me know in the comment section. Share your thoughts with me. Please do like these videos, share, subscribe so that others can also pitch in. Thank you so much for joining. See you in the next episode. Till then, happy learning.